The zipper is broken, so let me show you how to fix it and change the style to make it look really nice. First, we need to cut off the hard part of the zipper interface. Once it's cut off, we don't need it anymore. Next, choose a strong thread and take out our sewing tools. Thread the needle, tie a knot, and start sewing. First, sew from the inside out, then move to the right side and make a stitch. Pull the needle and thread, then move from the right to the left and make another stitch. Pull the thread from left to right, making sure it's symmetrical. We're using a symmetrical invisible stitch to mend it. There are a few details to pay attention to here. First, when sewing, make sure both sides are symmetrical. This means that wherever you make a stitch on the left, you must do the same on the right. Second, the stitches must be small and dense. This way, the clothing will be more durable and sturdy. Third, we must choose a strong thread. If the thread isn't strong, it will break when you pull it. Fourth, we need a good set of sewing tools. Some people find that when they sew at home, the needle bends or breaks easily, or sometimes it's hard to pull through. This makes sewing very difficult. So make sure your tools are good. Ladies, take a look at this thread I'm using. It's a 230 strength thread, which is very strong and won't break like the thin threads we usually use. This 203 strength thread comes in 10-meter rolls and is great for sewing shoe soles or other tough materials. Also, the needle I'm using is a large eye steel needle with strong penetration, making it easy to sew through layers and shoe soles. This large steel needle comes in 5 sizes, large, medium, and small. Look at this smallest embroidery needle, which is hard to see for those with nearsightedness or presbyopia. We also provide 2 threaders for those who sweat easily, and 2 adjustable thimbles. We also include a large seam ripper for removing buttons, opening packages, or cutting threads. You can even use it as a substitute for scissors at home. Additionally, we provide a total of 25 needles in large, medium, and small sizes, all neatly arranged. We also include 5 rolls of thread, totaling 36 pieces, placed in the lower left corner. This way, when you pull the thread, everything tightens up. You can change the neckline to a round one, which looks particularly nice.